shakalaka, what's really going on with Bitcoin, plus how low and how high can we expect it to go? You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're talking about what's really going on with Bitcoin, plus how low and how high could we actually expect it to go. As you can see here, Bitcoin is back down into this downtrend. It's been in since November, broke out temporarily, but we're back down in there. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at where it's likely to go. Before we do, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Now, fear and greed, back to extreme fear. We saw neutral for 2, maybe 3 days, and then back to extreme fear as the prices plummeted down 5% across the market today. Bitcoin at $39.42, Ethereum at $26.28, BNB at $3.74, XRP 72 cents, Terra Luna $83, Cardano 84 cents, Solana $88, and Avalanche $76. And if you want to know the best coins to buy today, based on artificial intelligence, machine learning, over 80 indicators, which will pick out the best coins across all exchanges today, well, the top coins would be Kyber Network, Crystal, Magic Internet Money, Osmosis, Spirax, and Terra. So you definitely want to go take a look at those. And if you want to find out for yourself, or look at some different exchanges, or look at some different time frames, or maybe even some low cap gems, you could check out the link down in the description. It is a discounted link for token metrics. Now, like I said, Bitcoin back into this downtrend we've been in since November. We thought we broke out from it, but Bitcoin couldn't break this $46,000 area, which if it had have broken, we'd have had a nice double bottom right here. Bitcoin price likely would have gone up to $64,000, but just barely didn't break it. So now it's made this somewhat blue wedge right here. We will have a breakout of that wedge by July, but more in short term, well, Bitcoin is back down into this downtrend, range bound, until we get roughly to this $33,000 to $35,000 area where we have quite a bit of support here. Also, if we take a look at the volume profile behind my head, a lot of support with the volume profile right there. You can see it's one of the largest areas of support that Bitcoin has before going down to, say like $19,000. So that should likely be pretty strong support. But what's been going on with Bitcoin? Because if you just read crypto Twitter comments, you would think everyone's trampling each other while running for the exit doors to sell their Bitcoin. But if we actually take a look at the Bitcoin total transfer volume to exchanges, we can see it's been pretty flat, similar to how it was back at the last bottom that we had there. As a matter of fact, according to this most accurate floor price model by the Real Plan C, guess what? Bitcoin's only touched this line, barely grazed it 3 times in all of these lows. Right now, that floor price is $26,500. Not too far from where we are right now. Yeah, sure, 13,000 or so under where we are, but we're pretty darn close to the absolute insane price floor. And this is also echoed in Binky Ponderosa's chart here, where he takes a look at the floor price average, $23,000. So roughly within a few $1,000s, they're thinking, hey, that's likely the floor. But if we take a look at cycle peak average here, $182,000, which means there's a lot more room to go up than to go down. Because what's happening, according to Plan C, and I think this is kind of true, the true bottom, or the true top of this cycle is still yet to come with Bitcoin. After that, the true bottom will follow. For the last 10 months, however, we've been range-bound, mid-cycle, corrective accumulation phase, laying the foundation for the next leg up. I 100% agree. We've been totally range-bound for pretty much a year between this red dotted line and this green dotted line. Pretty much anything in there, the market's just going sideways. He says so far, we've had a wick-off top in April, we had a wick-off bottom in July, we had another wick-off top in November, and then now we have another wick-off bottom. So we've just been getting wicked off left and right. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope it's giving you a happy ending. But if we actually take a look at some charts, there, the Bitcoin weekly Mayer multiple, where we're sitting, has historically been tremendous buying opportunity. You simply need to remove emotion and use logic to see this. We can see this down here on the bottom. Every time it touches this green bottom line here, well, after that, the price ends up going up quite dramatically. And right now, we're touching that line once again. Not only that, if we take a look at the Bitcoin entity adjusted dormancy flow, The $33,000 bottom we put in not too long ago looks very similar to the last 3 corrective bottom phases. We can see down here, down here, down here, down here, all in this green area. We had a very sharp bottom, and after that, the Bitcoin price shot up dramatically. In case anyone hasn't noticed this pattern yet, the spot volume is low, selling and buying Bitcoin. We're range bound between $35,000 and $44,000. The day-to-day moves are mostly dictated by whose turn it is on the liquidation seesaw. That means that the price moves based on people getting liquidated. So if we didn't have these amateur noob margin traders, well, price wouldn't be so up and down all over the place. But that's mostly what's causing it. And if we take a look at where Bitcoin could likely go, this is a little Elliott wave pattern drawn out by TechDev with 3 standard deviations of the 20 EMA. And this is a 22-week EMA. So if we take a look at that, we can see Bitcoin grazes the top on the first impulse. So wave 1, come down. Wave 3, come down. Wave 5, well, potentially this could put Bitcoin roughly up around $180,000. Now, if this happens, this would be very, very similar to the Binky Ponderosa prediction for a price of $180,000. So likely bottom 23 to 26, top 170, 180. Well, we're kind of towards the bottom. That would make it an insane buying opportunity, but that's not when most people buy. Most people buy when it's full FOMO territory. So if that's you, you definitely want to wait to buy. If you did enjoy that video, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will catch you guys later. Have a great weekend. Also, check out Token Metrics for yourself. Discounted link down in the description. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.